Hi everyone, bonjour à tous and welcome back to my channel. In a few days it's gonna be Christmas, and to help you get ready, I have selected for you 10 easy sewing projects that you can gift your friends and your family. You'll find all the information in the description box, the links to the tutorial, and I highly recommend you watch this video until the end to discover which one of these sewing projects is my favorite. Let's get started! C'est parti! This little pouch really is the tutorial to try out if you are a beginner. Easy, quick and useful, you will be able to choose the size, the shape, the color as well as the fabric. What can I say? It's a classic. It's always very much appreciated, and you can also gift it with a matching tote bag. By the way, both projects can be made out of scraps of fabric or an old piece of clothing waiting to be recycled. They really doesn't require much fabric. Now, if you have a crush on a fabric as gorgeous and flamboyant as this African wax, my third tutorial is for you. Why not make a pretty pillow cover with a zipper to lighten up a sad-looking sofa? And because you'll probably have a tiny bit of your fabric left, go ahead and sew a relaxing lavender eye bag for practicing yoga, meditation, or the usual Sunday afternoon nap. Oh, and both projects have removable covers, therefore caring for this relaxing duo really is a breeze. The idea number 5 might look slightly intimidating at first sight, but I can assure you that sewing your own bedding set really isn't that hard. In this series of 3 tutorials dedicated to making a duvet cover, a matching pillowcase as well as a matching fitted sheet, you'll see how easily they can be made. To help you grasp the process, the pattern and the models are presented in a tiny scale, which will downsize your apprehension accordingly, if that makes sense. Moving on to the idea number 6, a scarf. Silk, cotton, linen, whatever fabric, color, size you fancy. That's a down-to-earth project. It's quick, it's easy, there is no risk whatsoever involved, and I might say it's always well received. To make a sewing project unique, you might be curious to learn how to make these small fabric tags with a textile stamp. That's what I suggest you discover with this tutorial number 7, in which we will sew and customize this adorable lavender bag set. Fabric bunting, of course. To decorate a room, prepare a party, wait for a joyful event. That's a custom-made project. Choice of colors, shapes, sizes, everyone can add its own flair. Just make sure that your work is nice and clean and that you follow the taste of the recipient, and you should make someone very happy. It's almost time to discover my favorite project, but before that, may I suggest this idea number 9, a luxurious Drawstring Dust Bag that will allow us to protect and put safely away my mysterious gift. So what is it then? A diamond-shaped button, a pretty quilting, a zipper, a few top stitches, soft lining, a tad of invisible hand sewing, a flirty tassel, a last touch of glittery, and voila! Now that's my favorite project. I really hope you'll be tempted to make this easy Coco Chanel inspired pouch. It's timeless and très chic, and mine was made out of the leg of an old recycled leather trousers. Who knew? That really is a Christmas miracle. Bye bye! À bientôt!